Okay, and you can give the experience. Is the 1 year? Yeah, anyway, it's fine. Like, and give any number of trades you've done in the past 12 months.
So what should I select in this?
Anyone is fine. Like anything is fine.
Okay.
They just want to know how often you trade and all. Okay, just fill everything and just then click next. Okay. From the coming page, you should give the platform. Oh yeah, what is? Just
Go.
give it the detail.
Okay.
Even if you are given like as a student and if you are employed, it's fine. Yeah, this is the
Okay.
important one which I should like show you. Here the account type should be MT4. Okay, don't change it. And the leverage should be 1:500 itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and USD, the account based currency must be USD only. Fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now you can like verify now or later. I think verifying later will be better so that we can wind up this session. Just scroll down. You can just click on verify later and accept all these things. These first two options. Okay, and once you click complete, you will get your credential details over your mail. Okay, so use that details to open account and use the trading platform. See, they have shown that welcome to FX Pro Direct. Now you will get several mails. From that mail, read it and act accordingly. They will show you or they will send you different credentials like your login account and account ID, login ID and password and all. Use that to log in FX Pro. Along with this, you will get an MT4 account details. Using that, you can either use an app, MT4 app on your Android phone or iOS phone, or you can use it over your laptop or like web browser where you can like go for MT4 web /FX Pro. Some link is there. I'll tell that tomorrow. So make sure that by tomorrow you finish off this work so that I can take the strategic session or I'll let you know how to use or like use the indicators in FX Pro and all. Are you clear with it?
Yes, sir. Sir, should I stop sharing now?
Yeah, you can stop sharing.
Okay.
So you will get the every details regarding account opening or like the FX Pro or MT4 or your mail.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and one thing is there, just note this point for depositing money or depositing cash in this FX Pro account, your credit card or debit card won't be accepted. The only option you can give is Nettler. Okay, Nettler, Nettell. Okay, it's Nettler, Nettler. The PayPal also won't be working. Nettler is the one which you should use. All other like other credit card, debit card, and PayPal won't be working. Nettler will be the only thing which you can use. So create the account as soon as possible by tomorrow itself. I will send the timing of tomorrow's session after the session gets over. So that's it. Create an account, and tomorrow and get email. It's MT4. Okay, MT4 is the platform you should have or the brokerage partner like platform for you to trade, and then leverage is 1:500. So you needn't transfer money today itself. You can do it like after creating the account, and then after tomorrow's session you can add it. Those who can add today itself, you can add. There are no charges to open an account. It's free. Okay, so that's it. The minimum amount you can add is $100. No, it doesn't work. That's what I'm telling, Sangram. Doesn't work. Visa or like any other option won't work. If you want, you can try. The only thing, it's not 1:50. It is 1:500. You can choose 1:500, and you can trade with like taking leverage for like 1:50 or 1:25. But choose the maximum for the time sake, so that you get the border extended. just listen to me, create this account and come and attend tomorrow's session. Okay. Keep it 1:500. Timing you will get it over the channel after the session. That's it. You can leave the session. Good night. Yeah. Session is over. Tomorrow you will be getting further sessions over Forex. Make sure that you are attending it with the account created only.